Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through creating a three-dimensional contour plot in Matlab. That is a stunning way to represent complex surfaces with depth and elevation. So this tutorial is perfect for engineering students, data scientists, or anyone new to Matlab who wants to visualize mathematical function or surface data in three dimension using contour map. So I will take you step by step from starting up your data to customize your plot for a clear and professional look. So let's get started. So we need to start our code by clicking on a new script. So an editor window pop up in front of us. So we need to start our code by writing CLC, clear all and close all. After that, we need to define X and Y ranges. So for X range, I'm using a linspace command that is starting from -3 and ending at 3. Similarly, for the Y, I'm using the same range, linspace starting from -3 and ending at 3. And linspace is usually a built-in function that is used to convert a range into 100 equal partitions. After that, we need to create a mesh. So here we have x comma y that is equals to mesh grid and x comma y. After that, we need to define the z function. So z is equals to 1.8 dot head. Inside of the bracket, we have negative 1.5 static square root. And inside of the square root, we have x square plus y square, and outside we have static cos 0.5 static y and static sine of x. Okay, after that we need to create a three-dimensional contour plot. So for that I am using a word contour 3, and inside we have x comma y comma z, and next we need to define the contour levels. So here I am defining 30. You can adjust according to your choice. So 30 contour level is basically the better details. So you can simply write contour levels for better details. Okay, after that we need to customize the plot. So for that I am using X label, and inside we have x-axis, y label, and inside we have y-axis, z label, and inside we have z-axis. And I'm going to define the title, that is three-dimensional 3D contour plot. After that, I am writing my color bar, and after that I want to on the grids. Let's run it. Okay, first of all, we need to fix an error that is in line 12. So we have using sign. Okay, so we don't need to write static here. Okay, so the contour 3 function in MATLAB created a 3D visualization of contour lines where each line represent a constant z value on xy plane. Unlike two-dimensional contour plot, the three-dimensional version is also elevates each contour according to its z values, giving you a more vivid understanding of the data surface. So in this plot, these waves represent the oscillating behavior of the function, and the elevation of each contour reflects the actual height according to the z values. And this color bar helps you to interpret the intensity and variation of the data. So this graph resembles the electromagnetic fields or fluid surfaces. So that's it. If this video helped you understand three-dimensional contour plotting in MATLAB, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with classmates or colleagues. Have any questions or want to see more plotting techniques? Drop a comment below. I would love to create more content based on your needs. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Stay blessed.